When you first get started with affiliate marketing, you might think there's a long list of tools that you need. There's tons of videos out here on YouTube that talk about all the different free tools, 10 free tools, 15 free tools. Well, I'm here to give you a short list of tools that you actually need that you can get started with. Some of them for free because you can actually get started free with a trial version. But at the end of the day, you need to really think about this in a long term way of investing in these tools to invest in yourself and your business, because that's what we are talking about here, building a long term or building with a long term mindset of the fact that we're doing affiliate marketing and we're going to do it in a profitable way. So we're going to spend money on these tools to actually be able to use them and make money. And again, like I said, build a profitable business. First tool that you see here is an email autoresponder. What this allows you to do is create contacts, list of contacts. And then what you can do is you can broadcast out to those contacts. As you can see here, I've sent out an email to my list. It's a list of people that have decided that they wanted a thing that I'm giving away in the form of a lead magnet, or they've opted in to a bonus that I've delivered once they purchased the product. And as you can see here, I'm using Get Response to do that. And it's just as simple as coming in here, getting this tool, understanding that once you invest in this tool and you invest your time into understanding what email marketing is about, you can start using this autoresponder, as well as this has the ability to build landing pages, forms, and pop-ups that you can add to those landing pages to actually do the lead generation, or to take the leads and put them on an email list here inside of your email autoresponder. As well as if you invest in the tool and you get away from looking for these free versions that are out there, or just a trial version, knowing that you can set up these automations, and then once you have them in place, when you're ready to go, all you do is upgrade the tool and you move forward, and the automations will continue to work that you set up in the trial version. The next thing you need is a page builder or web hosting to build landing pages and opt-in pages. Here I'm inside of Groove Pages, or a Groove account, Groove CRM, and you see I have Groove Pages and Groove Funnels. Groove Pages or Groove Funnels is a site builder. You can see some of the sites that I built here. These are simply pages, opt-in pages, full complete web pages. But more importantly, when you're first getting started, building pages like this. For example, you can pick up my affiliating course. There's a link in the description in the pinned first comment for this simple strategy to build a real online business and do it in a profitable way. And I show you all the tools that I'm showing you here in this video, but I walk through them in more depth and I show you exactly how I'm using them, sort of step by step, over the shoulder, so you get a feel for exactly the tools that you need and how you can use them based upon the way that I use them to build a profitable online business. Next up, the thing you need is a custom domain. That is a domain, for example, like Gary at 30minutemarketing.net. You need a domain name. You need to go out, you need to invest in yourself and purchase a name. Now, you could brand this like I did with 30minutemarketing.net, but you can also see people here, other marketers, for example, Robbie Blanchard. He simply went and purchased his name. You could do this by going over to a site called Namecheap. I'll leave a link in the description, and you can check this out by simply purchasing your name. You can see here that I purchased my name in a couple different formats. And you can see how simple this is. Simply come here, type in your name, select search, or in this case, beast mode, and Namecheap is going to go out and it's going to find all the top level domains that you could purchase to get access to your name as a custom domain. Here you can see I could actually purchase GaryLynn.com for $8.98 per year. Now, when this renews, it would be $13.98 per year, but we're talking about $14 a year to own a custom branded domain. And in this case, it could be your name, and that is the best, simplest, and quickest way to get started with a custom email that you can set up and you can start using. Like all the professional affiliate marketers that you see, all the marketers, all the businesses that you see online, this is simply all they do is they go and they pay this small fee to register that name to use it as their custom email. So, affiliate marketing tools that you need. You need a page builder and hosting, you need an email autoresponder, and you need that custom email. Short list, just like I said at the beginning of this video. It's all you need. These are the 3 primary tools. And if you'd like to see how I use these tools and the tools that I use in my business to create a profitable online business, there's a link in the description for free training where I walk you through everything I'm doing to make money online as an affiliate marketer. Link in the description. Check it out. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. I'll talk to you later. Bye.